To accurately match project requirements, customers from Uzbekistan made a special trip to visit our factory for inspection and discussion. In the product exhibition area, technicians explained the core structure, material technology, and performance advantages of the equipment in detail. The customers checked the details closely and gained an in-depth understanding of the product quality. Observe the whole process operation of the wet sorting production line on site. From feeding, screening, magnetic separation to purification, intuitively felt the high efficiency and stability of the equipment under real working conditions. The on-site inspection enabled the customers to have a clearer understanding of the product strength and production line adaptability. Thank you for your trust and look forward to working together.